Hi guys. My name is Poseletso, as you all know me. Yeah. If you love to read novels online, there's this novels by J.C. Moore online. Like me, I love to read. Reading is my passion. Reading is my I just love reading. I'm just gonna tell you a few books that I read online by J.C. Moore. I read about Nora, season 1 to 7. I've actually finished season 1 to 7. Very interesting. And there's Perfect Match. This one is just, I don't know. It's about season 1 to 2. It's not that long. Let me just tell you a little bit about season 1 to 2 about Perfect Mistake. Actually, it's a story of Lawrence, pastor's son, who fell in love with the spirit medium. Imagine. How can you just fall in love with a spirit medium? Really? It's a no-no. and this Mandy, I'm actually reading Mandy. I'm on half book, or on the half of the book. Mandy, Mandy is a mentally challenged girl who fell in love with a married man. Imagine, she's, I don't, who does that? Who just fell in love with a married man in nowadays? Oh my God. There's Perfect Match. This one, it's a must-have. You must have this one. You must read. It's just what can I say? In short, it's just a continuation of Perfect Match and Nora. Guys, this one I read it. I'm actually reading it again, but I even know the end of the story because it's so interesting. Anyway, guys, if you feel like you want to read more about JC novels, it feels like you're watching on a 3D movie. It's just a 3D. I don't want to lie. The stories they're just interesting. Like, if you read season 1 to 7, it ends season 1 to 7, but you feel like, I want to read more, I want to read more, I want to read more. But actually, I don't know. But if you are interested, like me, I love reading, just visit JC Moyo page on Facebook, and you hear a lot of stories. There's this one which is coming, and guys, the other one is coming, and oh my God. Let me just go and finish the read before my internet finished. I need to read this. I need to read.